Okay, so your flexible line, it bursts and leaking water, and you don't know how to change it. Stick around, watch this video and I'll show you how to change it. Okay, so your flexible water line for your toilet tank, right? So this is a toilet tank. This is a flexible line, and the thing with this, it leaking water, it bursts, right? So on this side, you can see it bursts, right? So these plastic one, under pressure, it does burst, it does crack, it does burst. So this, what happened to this one right now, it burst. So I will put it on and show you. Alright, so you see it leaking through water, through the burst. Alright, so I will remove this one and put in this stainless steel rubber flexible line. Alright, so what you need to do, alright, so first thing, you have to uninstall the old one. Okay, so to install this, first thing you make sure the check valve is off. Alright, the second thing, you need an adjustable spanner or adjustable wrench, and just put it there and turn it. And I want end come out. And now for the bottom one. And now for the bottom one. Alright, so this is the old one. As you can see, it bursts out right here. So I'll put it aside. I will install a new one. Now this is the better one because in the end of this, it have a rubber to seal. Right, it have a rubber to seal, so no water can escape. Now this one. Now the old one, there's no rubber. There's no rubber to seal this really. What you use to seal this is thread seal. Right, same thing here. There's no rubber on the end to seal any water. There's thread seal. So I'll install the bottom one first. Then the top one. And now we tighten it a little bit, not much. And then we same for the top one. Alright, so this turns inside, so you just hold the side inside and tighten. And then you check for leak. You put it on and it's still leaking. Alright, so now you tighten it. Alright. Alright, and then put it on and you check for leaks. Alright, so check for leaks, make sure you dry this part. Alright, so no leaking. Alright, so no leaks. So there you have it. Now you know how to install a flexible line on a toilet water tank. As always, thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.